Hi guys, and thank you for watching. And first of all, and and this video I will providing this video how to automate this particular activity. What is particular activity? That's particular activity I will show it. And I am go to Google and I am search for Selenium and the Selenium. I want Selenium search in Hyderabad, and that particular Selenium search in Hyderabad I want this. And let's how to perform. Let's automated, and I'm arrow down, enter. And this particular steps I will perform keyword events, keyword actions. Let's start the video, and I will provide this particular I will launch browser and enter Google URL by dot name is q and dot send keys. And first of all I will import one package, import arg dot openqa dot selenium dot keys, and let's start send keys and keys dot arrow down and drivers dot find element by dot name q dot send keys. In this particular, just copy it and keys dot arrow down, control V, and I will perform one more time. The particular time you want keys dot arrow down and and enter